January 14th, card opening here at work. It's Friday, so we have, wow, I have the supplies. Hainer Box Friday or update. Otherwise, some other packs, which I'm going to get organized right now. RFA 2002. Not been that bad of an opening. I got 2 Pujols rookie cups and an Ichiro. Let's see here. David Cone, I believe he just signed a contract to ESPN to do some announcing. These weird ticket things, a weird hat thing. Manny Ramirez, he's on the ballot, I believe. Andy Ashby, Chris George, Eric Glasher. Manny's probably the best card so far. Hopefully we can improve on that. 2013. Trout Beltre, averages, Carlos Santana Mini, Lopez, Mitch Moreland, Alex Cobb, too big there. Howard, Eckley, Hutchinson, Jackie Robinson, batting crown, Babe Ruth, outfielder, the greats, Suzuki, Jose Tabat. In case you wanted to read the back of that. Cy Young is number 2. Interesting. Interesting. I need to get my Cy Young graded. Become authentic. I picked up an old 1912, 1913 Cy Young card. Optic. Pretty good shape for being over 100 years old, but still. Then you take a beating, as you know. Skip here, Dalton Varsho. Got Devi Garcia. $75. Diamond Kings. Been trying to complete my set. Not happening very easily. Eddie Matthews, Nate Pearson, Eddie Collins, Ted Williams, DJ LeMahieu, Sandberg, Sixto Sanchez. Let's see, what do we have here? Devi Garcia. Well. It's a Devi Garcia day. Oh. Me trying to do things off camera. Double your pleasure, double your fun. Ben Baller. So use it randomly. Kyle Tucker. Shohei Ohtani. Brandon Lowe. Kyle Lewis. It's not a bad design. I think it's this rare update theme. What we're looking for is obviously a Deivi Garcia auto. Rip it and rip it. We got the 70 years of tops in there. Getting fat, you know. Jonathan India. There's a long line of those types of cards. Almost the whole back half was landscaped. Major League Baseball was meeting today to discuss arbitration. Not hear how that turned out, or was it yesterday? It was one of those 2 days. Vaughn. Got the India, got the Vaughn. Arnick. Next to Muncy. Mark 70s. Will Myers, Padres. Luis Robert. Ian Anderson, Kyle Lewis, and Randy Rosarina. An All-Star game being back to Muncy. Highlights is a double auto day for Deivi Garcia. One numbered, one unnumbered, but a patch. That's all for today. Y'all take care.